Katrina, you get in there with them.
That's so
Justin, this is for you and your sister.
Justin needs to get over here with her.
We gotta do it twice though, Mama, with this cake too.
Ready?
Okay.
I want the
There you go.
princess one.
Katrina, get in there with them.
Three.
Katrina, get in there.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear
Jessica, not Sammy.
birthday to you.
Katrina, how many balloons do you have there?
23.
And we make sure to count them.
Oh shit! I didn't even see those.
Hey, who brought you this cheap ass little balloon? Little one balloon.
Yummy.
Hey, get that shit out of here, bro.
Smile.
That's because she's from the circle, that's why.
I had my stepdaughter's car cleaned, right?
Go over with your sister, fool. Go on.
John, you too.
I was just gonna say that. You're missing one. John, go over there, please.
John.